Alright folks, here's how Moodle works. Most of your work is going to be here, so don't forget you have to log in, and I kind of walked over that already. You can click physics and then find the physics class, physics 2020 right here, or you could just click my home and you should be able to see physics 2020 from there. You're going to have a lesson, which is pretty much going to be a video of me. And like that, I'm going to go ahead and close that off now. And it'll go over a topic, not very long, usually 2-3 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes, and rarely it's over that. Every once in a while it is. Then after that, you can practice that exact work I did. To do that, it's going to look like this. So what you'll do is you'll kind of click here. And then it looks like this. So I'm going to do practice. As you can see, practice, calculate velocity. Attempt quiz now. Don't freak out. That is not your real. It's not a real quiz. I'm just using like a quiz template. So kind of like a practice quiz. And you're allowed to take this as many times as you want. You can do it 100 times if you want it. And it's going to give you the highest grade that you've ever gotten out of all of the attempts. So we're going to say attempt a quiz now. And the cyclist is traveling 373 meters and has took her 83 seconds. What is her average velocity? I'm just going to make up an answer. 56. Check. And I must have gotten it wrong because it would have turned. This would have turned green if I did. V is equal to x divided by t, and put the number only. Okay. So let's try that again. Oh, I can't type in an answer. You see that? I have to click try again. Now it's going to give me partial credit if I get this right. So I'm going to go ahead and type in calculator here, and I'm going to take the distance 373 divided by 83. Oops, 83 is equal to, and I get 4.49. Usually, if you go two numbers past the decimal place, you're totally good. So I'm going to put 4.49 and put check. And very good. The correct answer is 4.49. Cool. So I got the right answer. And then you'll go on to the next one. You could even skip 2 and 3 and go to 4 if you want to skip around. I'd recommend just going in order. Just click next and do the next one. If you get it wrong too many times, try again. And you can see I'll try again. I think on the third try, if you get this one wrong, you're pretty much getting a 0, and it turns red. So I'm going to go, whenever you're all done with all of them, you're just going to say, what do I do? Click finish attempt right here. Then just hit submit all and finish, and hopefully you have a score for all these. Notice I did not get a 4 out of 4 here. The reason being is because I got partial credit because I didn't get it right the very first time. Submit all and finish, and you can review your stuff here. But don't worry, if I click here and I want to go back to that quiz, or it's not a quiz, remember, it's just practice. It just says quiz. So practice, calculate velocity, that's one we just did. I can say reattempt the quiz and go ahead and try it again. And keep doing it, it'll give you the highest score. Now, practice these until they're easy, because then when you take the actual real quiz, and you do this one, you only get to take it 2 times. It does have the things where you can retry, check your answer, and then try again, and you'll get partial credit. But you're only allowed 2 times. Take it once, do bad, you get a second try, and that's it. But don't worry, it gives you the higher grade of the 2. So if you do worse the second time, it'll give you the higher grade from the first time. Don't worry about that. So that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. All right.